Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Photon Marks. Today we discuss application of dimensional analysis. First is to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to another. Second is to check the correctness of the given physical relation. Third is to derive a relationship between defined physical quantities. It is all based on the principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity means dimension of each term of LHS is equal to dimension of each term of RHS. This is the principle of homogeneity. So first to derive to convert a physical quantity from one system of unit to another. For example, first one. For example, let us convert as a work of 1 joule into work. Convert a work of 1 joule into work. We know that joule is SI unit of work and work is CGS unit of work. So we convert SI to CGS. So its physical quantity is work. This is the physical quantity. This is the first we write physical quantity. Each works. So its dimension we can write dimension or energy. Same as the dimension. So its dimension is energy like m1 l1 t minus 2. So mass is 1, l length is 1, time is 2. So right, this is A, this is the A, and this is B, and this is C. A is 1, B is 1, C is minus 2. Sorry, work is dimension m1 l2 t minus 2. So B is 2. Now we write this is system 1, this is we write system 1 or M case. This is system 1 M case and CGS. This is the system 2. It is known value. We write this side known value and this is unknown value. So known value M1, L1, T1 and N1. Generally M1 is, if M case M1 is kg, L1 is 1 meter, T1 is 1 second. This is N1 is known value, N1 is 1. N1 is 1. M2 CGS means gram, 1 gram, L2 1 centimeter, T2 1 second, N2 unknown. So we find N2. So this is the representing system 1 of physical quantity, and this side representing system 2 in the physical quantity. This is a known value, this is unknown value. But this is system 1, this is system 2. We know that the quantity have the same, so both system is same. So we write N1. Write N1 U1 equal to N2 U2. N1 means N1 in this N1 means this is N2 means this is the dimension M1 L1 T1. This is the N2 M2 L2 T2 U2. Sorry, this is the U2. So that is N1. U1 is M1 A, L1 B, T1 C. N2 is M2 A, L2 B, T2 C. So we find N2. So N2 is N2 equal to N1 M1 A, L1 B, T1C by M2A A2B T2C. Write N1 to M1 by M2 power same, so A L1 by A2 power same, so B T1 by T2, so C. So we put M1, M2, L1, L2, T1, T2 and A, B, C. So that N2 equal to N2, we know that N1 equal to 1, M1 equal to 1 kg by 1 gram, A is 1, L1 is 1 meter by 1 centimeter, B is 2, T1 is 1 second by 1 second, C is -2. So this is the same unit, second, and meter is centimeter, kg, gram. So we first those units same. N2 equal to kg. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram or 10 to the power 3 gram by 1 gram equal to 1. 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 2 centimeter by 1 centimeter by 2. 1 centimeter, sorry, second cancel, so 1 to the power -2 equal to 1. So this is gram cancel, second, centimeter cancel. So 10 to the power 3 equal to 10 to the power 2 to 4. So N2 equal to 10 to the power 7. So 1 joule equal to 10 to the power 7 org. This is the convert one system to another system, that is 1 joule equal to 10 to the power 7 org. This is MK system, this is CJ system. Now second is to check the correctness of the given physical relation. Now check the equation. S equal to ut plus half it square. So we know that S equal to displacement, S equal to displacement, U equal to initial velocity, T time A acceleration. So first we find dimension of S. So dimension of S, that is LHS. Dimension of S equal to, this is distance, so dimension of L. Now dimension of formula of ut. So this is velocity, initial velocity, this time, so velocity LT minus 1 T. So T is time, so L. And dimension of half at square. We know that half is constant, so dimensionless. A is acceleration, dimension of acceleration T minus 2 T square equal to T square, so L. So this is the dimension of LHS equal to dimension of RHS. That is dimension of LHS, that is the dimension of RHS. So dimension of LHS, S is L, and RHS ut plus half it square. Each term ut is L, half it square is L. So this is the dimensional formula represent the all three terms in this equation are same. So this is the dimensionally correct equation. So this equation is dimensionally correct. Now third is to derive a relationship between different physical quantities. Now find the expression for centripetal force if the body of mass m with velocity v in a circle of radius r. So first centripetal force depend on first we write centripetal force depend on mass velocity and radius. So F that is proportional to m to the power m v b and rc. So combining all write F that is proportional to m a v b r c, that is F equal to k m a v b r c. This is k is the dimensionless constant or its value is 1. So this is equation 1. Now the writing the dimension of both the sides. So F is force m1 l1 t minus 2, and this is the dimensionless constant, so m is 1 power is a, velocity v is 80 minus 1 power b, as radiation length is c. So m1 l1 t minus 2 equal to m a l b, this is so l is b plus c, t is minus b plus c. Now the comparing the dimension of two sides. So comparing the dimension to sides, so a is 1 minus b plus c is 1 minus b is minus 2, so b equal to 2. If b equal to 2, then b minus b plus c equal to 1, so b minus 2 plus c equal to 1, or c equal to 3. Sorry, minus 2. No, रुको. This is plus b, so this is plus b plus c, so this is b plus c, so plus of c is minus 1. Now using the a b c in this equation, this is the 2 equation 2, using the a b c in equation 2, so sorry, this is using the a b c in equation 1, using above is equation 1 in this equation, using in this equation. So f equal to k m h 1 v b is 2 and c power is 1. So this is right, f k m v square by c. You know that this is the formula of centripetal force. Or write k is 1. That k is dimensionless constant, or k is 1. If k is 1, so f equal to m v square by c.